Hello class, our today's lesson starts with the phrasal verb break into something, which is a transitive verb. If the object of this phrasal verb is a place, a house, or other buildings, then it means to enter a place for robbery. Look at the examples. Armed robbers broke into the bank and robbed a lot of money. Or they were accused of breaking into an old couple's house and torturing them. Break into something can have another meaning. We can use this phrasal verb for laughter and singing. And in that case, it means to suddenly start to laugh or sing loudly. Pay attention to the instance. The audience broke into laughter when they heard the joke. The past form of break into something is broke into something. The past participle form is broken into something, and the third person singular form is breaks into something.